blue. We're not gonna chill yet. I'm cleaning, okay? So one of the colors I'm into is like a dusty blue this year. And so I bought these pillow covers from Amazon. I'm gonna link them down below. The pattern is so beautiful. I wanna say a jean blue or dusty blue. I love it. And also I got this throw blanket from the McGee, Studio McGee collection this year. And I love that it has like pink, dusty blue, beige. So it goes kind of like with the color theme that I'm in this year, that I'm into. Are you serious? Look at how beautiful this is. Love it. So I put my holiday cups up there, and then I like the one that my husband uses, and so I put the ones that I use mostly since I do work from home. And so all my spring cups, my pink cups, and I absolutely love this one and this one and this one. I love all of them. Okay, so I'm going to organize our bathroom. Now this is my husband's side, and then that's my side. As you can see, we just had everything on, what do you call this, counter, sink counter? Yeah. And so we had everything like that. And so I bought like an organizer. You're gonna see it's like a corner organizer. So I'm just cleaning right now, and then I will show you guys the final view. Okay guys, so I am done. It looks way better than how it was. It looks way neater. And tell me why I did not catch. I did not catch that it had gold wear. Like, as you can see, it is gold, and it is kind of driving me crazy just because we have chrome sinks. But I mean, hey, mixing metals is okay, right? Anyway, so it looks better. It looks neater. So if I want to like clean around, I'll just get the whole thing, and then, you know, and not have to like pick up everything one by one, right? So, and tell me why my husband has more things than I do. Like some of the things that he has could go under the sink, but no, he wants it up here. So I respect. This is his side, that's my side. We just moved in also half a year ago, so we're kind of still in the process of like, okay, what do we want to do? Where do things go? And so one of the things that we are doing this year is putting door handles. As you can see, they do not have handles. And I want to do something here. I'm gonna put the mirror in my closet. This is our closet. This is the toilet, and the shower's over here. But I want to put kind of like a bench, or I wanted to put kind of like, I'm not really sure what, like a little nook, like a little bathroom nook. So I'm gonna link these down below from the TikTok shop. They have like a 3-tier and double. I think it only goes to like the 3rd tier, 3rd, double, and single. But I love that they're cornered. Like if you want corner, or if you want one in the middle, like they have like a bigger one. So, you know, you could put like his and hers. But I kind of like our things separate. so I am done. I actually got this as a housewarming gift from our good friend and realtor when we first moved to this house about 6 months ago. She gifted this flower pot, and I thought what it said, the tag said that they were annuals, and at first freezing temperatures, some flowers died, they didn't make it, but these are just thriving. I'm not sure what these are. And so they just continue to bloom. And also this beautiful flower bush, it has beautiful little flowers and they are continuing to bloom. And they're so beautiful. They're just so green. This little bush is just so green and beautiful. So hopefully it expands all over. If not, I'll probably just plant something around it, like right here, like on this side. But hopefully, I think it's expanding. As you can see, it's continuing to bloom and they're beautiful. So, you know, hopefully it just expands and it's gonna look amazing. I love it.